Jefferson County Court at Law number 2 is now in session. First case that we have on our special review docket is cause number 329-464. The case is styled the State of Texas versus Paul Rodriguez Pena. We have Mr. Paul Rodriguez Pena, who is appearing via Zoom. Mr. Paul Rodriguez Pena speaks some English and he speaks Spanish. We have our Spanish interpreter who's present in court, Ms. Jennifer Araji. Ms. Araji, would you please raise your right hand? Ms. Araji, do you swear or affirm to interpret English to Spanish and Spanish to English, so help you God?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You know what? You might have to stand on this side because the microphone is right here on this here, so he can hear you. Ask Mr. Paul Rodriguez Pena if his full name is Paul Rodriguez Pena.
Señor Pina, su nombre completo es Paul Rodriguez Pena.
Speak up very loud.
Is his mic on?
Tienes que decir que sí o no.
Reach up.
His mic is not on.
Speak into your mic.
No, I think it's on mute.
Okay.
You might have to get somebody from the this opener. You just heard it? Miss.
It doesn't show that it's on mute, Your Honor.
Okay.
Okay, su nombre completo es Paul Rodriguez Peña.
See, you can't hear. It's sometimes it's not on. It's still
Okay,
on.
you see a little switch, move it to on, O-N. Okay, I got it.
Okay.
Right
Eso,
on.
muy bien.
Let's try it again, Your Honor.
Una vez más, que su nombre completo es Paul Rodriguez Peña.
Yes.
Okay. Mr. Pena, would you please raise your right hand?
Levanta la mano derecha.
Yes.
Que levanta la mano derecha.
Oh, okay.
Mr. Pena, do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth to help you God?
Que usted va a decir la verdad y nada más que le va a dar en frente de
Yes.
Dios. Okay.
Okay. You may put your hand down.
Lo puedes bajar la mano.
Mr. Pena, you're represented here by your attorney, Mr. James Padgett. Mr. Padgett, how are you doing?
Doing well. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. And Mr. Pena, how are you doing?
¿Cómo estás?
Bien, bien. How you doing, sir?
Good.
Good, okay. Mr. Pena, I have before me a document that is titled Information.
Dice que tiene un documento que se llama información.
This document alleges that on or about February 27th of 2021,
El 27 de febrero del 2021,
while you are operating a motor vehicle in a public place in Jefferson County, Texas,
cuando estabas manejando un vehículo en público de, you said Jefferson,
Jefferson County,
de Jefferson County,
Texas,
Texas,
that you committed the Class A misdemeanor offense of driving while intoxicated second.
que le van a dar en un caso de DWA segundo.
This information also alleges that on July 6th of 2013,
También dice en el 6 de julio de 2013
that you was convicted of driving while intoxicated
que tenías otro caso de DWA
in the County Criminal Court number 4 of Terrence County,
que era en una ciudad de Terrence County,
cause number 132
ok, caso 132
845
845
2001.
2001.
Mr. Rodriguez Pena, is it true that you was convicted in July 16th of 2013 for DWI in Tarrant County?
que sí es verdad que tenías otro caso en Tarrant County de 2013 del DWI.
Ah, sí, creo que sí.
Yes.
Yes, okay. And to the charge of DWI second that you're charged with today, how do you plead? Not guilty, guilty, or no contest?
De tu caso hoy, ¿eres culpable, no culpable o no contesto?
Culpable.
Speak up so they can,
Culpable.
Guilty.
Guilty? Okay.
you have to speak into the microphone so that they can hear you in the courtroom, okay? Pull it up close.
Let's see.
Pull the microphone up close to you. Pull it up close. Okay.
Plea paper. Where's the plea paper?
Oh, here, Judge. I apologize.
Now, Mr. Rodriguez Pena, are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily?
Que usted eres culpable, solamente usted está diciendo que eres culpable?
Sí.
Yes.
And are you
Yes.
pleading, and are you pleading guilty because you're guilty?
Y estás diciendo que eres culpable porque eres culpable.
Yes.
Mr. Rodriguez Pena, I have before me a document that is titled Misdemeanor Plea Admonishments.
Que tiene un documento que firmaste enfrente de él.
On page 2 of this document, there are a set of initials, P or a P, on a line next to a box that says check guilty.
Que tiene unas iniciales en la línea que eres culpable de sus iniciales. ¿Sí son sus iniciales?
Sí. Yes.
Okay. And are these your initials?
Que sí son sus iniciales.
Yes.
Oh, wow. The initials are the next page. instead of- Okay, on the third page, Mr. Mr. Paget,
Your Honor,
on the third page where it says where it says signature, he just has 3 initials. It doesn't have his signature on here. So, yeah, he has to, then this is the plea papers. He hadn't signed, he just have 3 initials. We need a signature on here.
which,
Do you have the paper?
which one is it?
It's the misdemeanor plea admonishment, the first document. It's the misdemeanor, it says misdemeanor plea admonishments, where it has, where you check the box that like this is a DWI second on page 1. And on page
Okay.
2, it has his initials.
Let me step outside and get the paperwork.
Okay.